तुम कब पहुंचोगे? When will you arrive? When will you arrive? मीटिंग कब है? When is the meeting? When is the meeting? ट्रेन कब रवाना होगी? When will the train depart? When will the train depart? तुम्हारा जन्मदिन कब है? When is your birthday? When is your birthday? तुमने साइकिल चलाना कब सीखा? When did you learn to ride a bicycle? When did you learn to ride a bicycle? बारिश कब बंद होगी? When will the rain stop? When will the rain stop? तुमने अपनी कार कब खरीदी? When did you buy your car? When did you buy your car? गर्मी की छुट्टियां कब शुरू होती हैं? When do the summer holidays start? When do the summer holidays start? नई फिल्म कब रिलीज होगी? When will the new movie be released? When will the new movie be released? अगली छुट्टी कब है? When is the next holiday? When is the next holiday? तुम कब पहुंचे? When did you arrive? When did you arrive? मीटिंग कब शुरू होगी? When will the meeting start? When will the meeting start? तुम कब उठते हो? When do you wake up? When do you wake up? वे यात्रा के लिए कब निकले थे? When did they leave for the trip? When did they leave for the trip? दुकानें कब बंद होती हैं? When do the stores close? When do the stores close? हम दोबारा कब मिल सकते हैं? When can we meet again? When can we meet again? तुमने अंग्रेजी सीखना कब शुरू किया? When did you start learning English? When did you start learning English? तुमने यह किताब कब खरीदी थी? When did you buy this book? When did you buy this book? तुमने अपने दोस्त को कब देखा था? When did you see your friend? When did you see your friend? फ्लाइट कब रवाना होती है? When does the flight depart? When does the flight depart? परिणाम कब घोषित होंगे? When will the results be announced? When will the results be announced? कब तक यहीं रहोगे? Until when will you stay here? Until when will you stay here? वह कब तक सोया? Until when did he sleep? Until when did he sleep? उसने इसे कब किया? When did he do this? When did he do this? आप कब मिले? When did you meet? When did you meet? उसने तुम्हें कब बुलाया? When did he call you? When did he call you? यह समाचार कब आया? When did this news come? When did this news come? वह कब तक रुका रहा? Until when did he wait? Until when did he wait? तुम कब तक वहां रहोगे? Until when will you stay there? Until when will you stay there? तुमने इसे कब खरीदा? When did you buy this? When did you buy this? तुमने इसे कब देखा? When did you see this? When did you see this? आपको कब पता चला? When did you know? When did you know? मैंने कब कहा? When did I say? When did I say? तुम कब आ रही हो? When are you coming? When are you coming? आपकी शादी कब है? When is your marriage? When is your marriage? आप यहाँ कब से हैं? Since when have you been here? Since when have you been here? उसने तुम्हें कब कहा? When did he tell you? When did he tell you? आपने उससे कब पूछा? When did you ask him? When did you ask him? आपने तैरना कब सीखा? When did you learn to swim? When did you learn to swim? परीक्षाएं कब होती हैं? When do the exams take place? When do the exams take place? तुम कब सोओगे? When will you sleep? When will you sleep? हम जश्न कब मनाएंगे? When will we celebrate? When will we celebrate? मैंने कब कहा? When did I say? When did I say? आप वहां कब से हैं? Since when are you there? Since when are you there? तुम दीपावली कब मनाते हो? When do you celebrate Diwali? When do you celebrate Diwali? हम लंच कब करेंगे? When will we have lunch? When will we have lunch? वह कब आएगा? When will he come? When will he come? तुम खाना कब खाओगे? When will you eat? When will you eat? प्रतियोगिता कब है? When is competition? When is competition? आपने अपना व्यापार कब शुरू किया? When did you start your business? When did you start your business? तुम जिम कब जाते हो? When do you go to the gym? When do you go to the gym? तुमने कार को कब खरीदा था? When did you buy the car? When did you buy the car? तुमने बाइक चलाना कब सीखा? When did you learn to ride a bike? When did you learn to ride a bike? स्कूल कब खुलता है? When does the school open? When does the school open? उनकी शादी कब हुई थी? When did they get married? When did they get married? तुम बाजार कब जा रहे हो? When are you going to the market? When are you going to the market?